Hey everybody, it's 12:53 and 14 seconds on October 24th. This is the drawing for the Secret Wars number 8. One is graded 9.6, the other is graded 8.5. Whoever comes in first place in this gets the 9.6. Whoever comes in second gets the 8.5. The people that have multiple spots could come in first and second and win both books. Okay, there are the 16 filled spots. Number is 9. I'm going to randomize 9 times. Name at the top of the list will get the 9.6. Second place gets the 8.5. They will ship out tomorrow, October 25th. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here comes the final one. 9. Barney Stars. This happened last week. Somebody else, when I ran Secret Wars 8, came in first and second. Barney comes in first and second and gets both books. Congratulations. Time is 12:54 and 18.